it guys, it's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining me. This is a 2013 Scion XB with 102,000 miles. And today I'm going to replace the drive belt. So let's do this. Alright, done. Next is the drive belt. It's freaking tight. I take off the wheel. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, it needs to be changed already. Clip is gone. Shoe is gone. Alright. Check this one out. You can see the water pump. See the leak right over there. Hi, Mara. Mal. Hi. You guys, just kick back and chill. I'm gonna go outside and fix the car. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for another day. Thank you, universe. Good morning, Dad. Damn, hurry up. I'm gonna do today, change the water pump. I told my friend that we need to change it. And the thermostat. It's good to change the thermostat at the same time. Take off the cap. Where is it to drain it? Oh, I can see it. It's right over there. It's where the lower radiator hose is at. Just right on the bottom. Where's it? I think that's it right there. Oh shit, I can't reach it. I have to remove the splash guard. 2 clips. It's right there. Go up here. Move negative terminal. I found this. Lara made this when she was only maybe 6 or 7. No way. Nice. We gotta remove the drive belt. Just like that. Ooh. Dang, 2 in. Get in. There we go. Motor mount's in the way. And this is in the way. Let's see this will work. Not even. Can't go in. Shit. Oh. Okay, let's try this out. Flex head. Go over here. Shoot, nope. Let's go over here. Come on, get it. Oh, oh yeah, it went in. There you go. Oh. Move it from the water pump. Got it. Okay, good. Yes. Check it out from the bottom. Alright. It's never been changed. And it's 100,000 miles. See some cracks already. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Push down. Pull up. That should be easy. Oh yeah, that's easy. Oh man. Pop it up. Oh yes, we are good. Tongue tongue good. Ooh. Up here. Come on. Oh, the freak. Press that in. Got it. So freaking difficult. That 14. Look at that. So stupid. Let's see. Oh dang, that's tight. What the fuck? out the way. There you go. 10. Oh shit, it's hurting my fucking palm. Am I turning it the right way? Yes. Lefty loosey. Just a little. There you go. Oh my gosh. So tight. Bottom is 12. Over here. That's it. Dang. Kinda hard. Oh, on the bottom. I see it. On top. Oh man, that hurts. Fingertips are hurting. Do this right here. Ooh. Like that. Ooh. Here too. Hold it. This is my special tool right here. This should work. Yep. 12. Loosen it up. Good. One on the bottom. Here.
You gotta stop.
Yeah, I know, huh?
Yeah. Are you planning to open a shop? Or?
They're asking you should just open a shop already.
Yeah,
that's what they're saying. I think I have a feeling who it is.
The neighbor, right?
Yeah.
The neighbor that's fixing cars, you go like, hey, one day the guy's gonna, I'm gonna need his help one day.
Okay, 10 millimeter. And over here, let's hit my knuckles. Alright. Let's tighten this up. There. And then one on the bottom. There it is. There's 2 more here. Pry bar right here. It's not leaking at the weep hole. Where's the weep hole? What's that? Let's clean it up. We have to do the thermostat too. Let's have this in here first. Coolant is dripping. Coming out. It's kind of hard. Dang it. Oh shit. Oh shit right there. Dang. Messy. Okay. Oh yeah. 80 inch-pounds. See that? Let's use this on the bottom. work. What the hell? Nope. Just hand tighten that. Because you gotta get to it. Okay, good. Okay, good. Right there. 10. Okay, don't drop. It's never been changed. Ugh. That's the jiggle valve. 12 o'clock. Thermostat. This, that Ziggle valve. Just love it. There you go. That's 12 o'clock right there. Just wipe it. Put back everything now. Forgot about putting this on. It's supposed to be like this. Shit. Good. Now the pulley. Yes, sir. Good. Now the dry belt. Bando. Right here. This. That goes around the compressor. From the top. Slip in there. Go in here. Shit. Go up. There we go. Almost there. Shit's getting caught. My finger. Oh shit. Not enough. Ay, kapsut. Take off this cover. I think I could do it. Oh yes, I got it. Looks good. Then, fill her up. All of it. Squeeze it like a lemon. Every last drop. After we do the brakes, then we're gonna start it up, bleed the system, and the brakes.